Hey Charles, I just finished watching your daily vlog where you were at the baseball game and you asked a question about what the two team scores would be if converted from binary, that is ones and zeros, to base 10. I thought I'd whip up a quick video for you and your viewers to show how to do that conversion. So, what is the binary system used for? Unlike our own memory where we can store images, phrases, sounds, traditional computer media can only store ones and zeros. And these ones and zeros are then converted into that picture that you uploaded to Facebook or that song that you guys just recorded in GarageBand on your iPad. Back in the old days, and I mean old days, people used to actually write computer programs on pieces of cardboard, and they would punch holes in these pieces of cardboard. These holes would then either represent a 1 or a 0. So, let's pretend that we were one of these computer pioneers and we wanted the computer to store the number 1337. We would need to first convert that number from base 10, which is using zeros to nines, into binaries, which only uses zeros and ones. So let me walk you through how we do that calculation. Okay, so let's recap. We want to convert the number 1337 into binary, which is base 2. It's base 2 because we're storing numbers either in zeros or ones. The 1337, that's base 10 because we have digits 0 to 9, which are 10 different digits, likely because we have 5 and fit them in there, 5 including thumb, so 10 fingers on our hands. How do we do this conversion? It's easy. First, because we're converting to base 2, draw a bunch of 2's across the paper. Next, let's add exponents to each of these 2's in an ascending order, incrementing by 1. So 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2, 3. Next, let's take the values of what these products would be. So 2 to the 0 is 1, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 4, 8. Now if you deal a lot with upgrading RAM or other computer specs, this will help out a lot. Make this conversion easy. Sorry for the small font, hopefully everyone can see that. What we do next is we'll take our 1337 and see how it fits into these numbers. So 2048 can fit into 1337 0 times. So we'll put a 0. The 1024 can fit into the 1337 1 time, so we'll put a 1. We now will have a remainder of 1337 less 1024, which will give us 313. So 512 fits into 313 0 times. 256 falls into 313 1 time. So now we have 313 less 256. Okay, so now we have 57 remaining. 128 falls into 57 0 times. 64 fits into 57 0 times. 32 fits into 57 1 time. So now we have 57 less 32. We have 25 remaining. 16 fits into 25 1 time. So we have 25 less 16. 8 fits into 9 1 time. So 4 fits into 1 0 times. 2 fits into 1 0 times. 1 fits into 1 1 time. So we have now successfully converted 1337 in base 10 into 01010011110001 binary. Hope this helps. I hope that helped give you a little bit of background in terms of what the binary system is, what it's used for, and how you convert numbers from our base 10 system to binary. CTFXC for the win from Toronto.